Before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Amazon secrets revealed. Today we're taking a closer look at the DEWALT 20V Max Power Tool Combo Kit, model DCK940D2. This is a 9-tool cordless power tool set that comes with 2 batteries and a charger, giving you everything you need to tackle projects around the house, in the garage, or on the job site. Let's see what people are saying. On the pro side, reviewers love the wide variety of tools included, from a drill driver and impact driver to a circular saw, oscillating tool, grinder, and even a blower. Many buyers say it's a perfect starter set for DIY projects or anyone looking to expand their cordless lineup. The 20V Max system is also highly praised for its compatibility, and users appreciate that DEWALT included 2 batteries and a charger right out of the box. Except on the con side, some customers noted that the 2 included batteries are only 2.0 amp hour, which means they can drain quickly on heavier tools like the saw or grinder. A few reviewers mentioned that while this kit is a great value, the tools are considered more entry-level versions compared to DEWALT's premium XR line. Overall, the DEWALT 20V Max Power Tool Combo Kit holds a 4.7 out of 5-star rating on Amazon, with thousands of positive reviews, praising its convenience, quality, and value for the price. If you'd like to check out the DEWALT 20V Max 9-tool combo kit, I'll drop the link in the description below so you can see the latest deals. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe for more Amazon secrets revealed.